Alright, so here is another integral for you guys. Now, the thing about this integral here is the fact that people will usually choose the wrong approach in order to solve this. Let me explain. So what people will do is they will substitute 1 over sine squared theta here, and instead of 1 over tan, they will substitute cos theta over sine theta, right? And this becomes cos theta over sine cube theta. Now, you could solve this integral theoretically, but the thing is it becomes a little bit more complicated than a method that I wanted to show you all, which is a lot more easier given that you understand the fundamentals of integration. All right, so what I'm trying to say is that we rewrite this as minus cosecant squared theta, and instead of 1 over tan theta, we just write cot theta. Now, how to solve this? The thing is, we need to recall one powerful concept of integration, which is the power rule that we have discussed before as well. Now, about this, now let's just revisit what power rule stated. It stated that a function raised to the power of n, if it has its derivative available outside, you could just apply the power rule to that function alone, and that would be the answer of your integral. So do we see that happening over here? In fact, we do. If we just rewrite it like this, cot theta whole power 1, and we rewrite this as this minus cosecant squared theta. Now recall the fact that the derivative of cot theta is in fact minus cosecant squared theta. You can verify this from list MF19, and that means that this power rule over here is eligible because this acts as f of x, and yeah, its derivative is outside, which is why we can just increase its power and apply the power rule basically. So let me just do that real quick. So the answer for this integral will simply be cot of 1 plus 1 theta divided by 1 plus 1, which means cot squared theta divided by 2 plus c. And that's how you solve this integral really simply compared to the method that you would have been doing if you had substituted the thing I told you initially, which was something like 1 over sine squared theta multiplied by cos theta over sine theta. Yeah, that would make it a lot more complicated. And always try to find the short way out. In this scenario, it was determining the fact that cot theta could easily help us apply this rule over here. So practice will make perfect, and I hope this makes sense.